In spite of that, the environment is the surroundings and conditions in which a person, animal, or a plant lives and operates. We may also use another word called ecosystem. Natural environment include a wide range of all living and non-living things that occurs naturally. Also the word habitat, which means the natural home or environment of an element or plant. Earth science, called geoscience, geographical science, generally define four spheres: the litosphere, the hydrosphere, the atmosphere, and the biosphere. Also, there are four main disciplines in earth science that names as geography, geology, geophysics, and geodesy. These use physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics to build up a qualitative and quantitative understanding the principal area of the spheres of Earth. Water on Earth. We all know that approximately 71% of Earth's surface is covered by oceans. Oceans are the majority source of saline water, and only there are 3% of pure water. Rest of water, 97%, is found in the oceans too salty. Rivers is a natural source of fresh water and the part of hydrological cycle, and also large quantity of a flowing fluid. A lake is large area of water surrounded by land, also deeper than a pond, and the pond is a small area of stilled water, either natural or man-made. It is used for solar ponds, water gardens, and fish ponds. In spite of that, the environment is the surroundings and conditions in which a person, animal, or a plant lives and operates. We may also use